the perfect trade checklist review. Let's get into it. So we all know that FXLSG released a platform called the Perfect Trade Checklist, and it's a platform that I kind of like. I'm kind of liking the layout. I kind of like the idea of this, because if you are familiar with FXLXG strategy, this right here, this the perfect trade checklist will come in very 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 handy. Okay, as you can see, I'm in the back office of the perfect trade checklist. As you can see, the checklist part right here, and as you can see, it's you know it's a grading system. Basically, it's a grading system that will give you a percentage on if you should take a trade or not. And I'm gonna go over exactly how to use this. Okay. Now, before I dive deeper into this checklist, this the perfect trade checklist, I want to go over a trading bot that's doing amazing, guys. If you guys want something if you guys want something that's automated, that can literally generate your results on a daily basis, I have a trading bot, a gold bot, that I charge only a one-time fee of $500. You'll get access to the files, the presets, and everything. You have full control of it. But this gold bot, man, I'm telling you, like, if you want something that can generate you some really good passive income on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, or on a monthly basis, then I have what you need. And this gold bot has been doing amazing. As you can see, there's no losing days of this month. No losing days here in November. And last month, this is gonna blow your mind, guys. This is gonna blow your mind. Last month, no losing days at all. It's crazy. You're gonna lose some trades, but no losing days. You're gonna always. No, I'm not gonna say you always will, but this so far, like the last 2 months, I've been testing this out for 6 months, but for the last 2 months, like there's no losing days at all. It's crazy, and as you can see, the first week I had it on a live account. We made it $400. The second week we made $1,500. The third week of October we made $800, and the last week of October we made about $800 and something dollars. Crazy, all right. And the one thing that I like about this gold bot is it don't take a lot of trades. All right, it only take like one or two trades mostly. But sometimes if the trend is strong, because the thing about this gold trading bot, it rides the trend. So if the trend is just trending, then you might see more than 2 or 3 trades a day. But man, like, if you guys want access to this, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below where you can contact me on Telegram or Instagram. Just let me know, hey Andre, I want access to that gold bot, and I'll go ahead and get you set up with the gold bot. But man, oh man, look at this. The first week of November of this month, we made about $1,000, another $1,000 plus on the second week, and then this past week, last week, we made about $2,000. All right. This is crazy. Like I never seen a trading bot like this. And matter of fact, this is I've been using trading bots for a long time. Been using EAs, trading bots for a long time. This gold bot that I'm currently using right now is the best trading bot I ever used since I've been using EAs and trading bots. Like, this is crazy. Like, if you guys want to also see the percentages, I'll change it to the percentage way. You'll see the percentages. Look at this. Yeah, the first week of this month, you'd have made 15% on your money. Okay? 12%, 25%. We made 25% last week using this gold bot. 25%. This is mind blowing. Like, and not only that, I got a lot of people. I'll kind of go over it right now. I got a lot of people that are using this gold bot as well. That's getting some amazing results as well. And I'll go ahead and show you guys this real quick. Like, this is crazy. And like I said, guys, if you guys want to contact me or you want to get access to this gold bot, just reach out to me on Telegram or Instagram. But this guy right here, he used the gold bot and he passed his 100K FTMO challenge. This same gold bot that I'm showing you, he used that to pass his 100K FTMO challenge. Crazy, right? This guy got this gold bot, had his account up at over $1,400. As you can see, it's not just me having great results. I got if you guys want to watch this video, all you got to do is just click the link in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram and you'll see this video. But this guy was just basically telling you guys that like basically he never seen a gold bot like this that haven't been losing. Okay, this is some of the results from the gold bot right here. Very, very consistent. That's what I like about this gold bot. It's very, very consistent. I have a little group here that everybody's getting results from. As you can see, he's been making like over $200 every single day. Look at this. It's crazy. Using the gold bot. This is the gold bot. Like I said, this is the best gold bot I have ever used. Like, this is crazy. This is just me showing my results. I got a highlight, so if you guys want to watch this highlight, you can watch it. Like, look at this. This bot is crazy, dude. I'm making like what? Let's read that. This bot is crazy, dude. I'm making good profits on an invested. He only invested in $500, and he's making some really, really decent profits from this gold bot. So you can start off with for $500, $1,000, or whatever. But like, this is crazy how many results that this gold bot is getting my clients. Like, it's crazy. I'm not the only one that's getting the results from this gold bot, but I got a lot of clients that are, eating off this gold bot. As you can see, he said I made $243. Oh yeah, this guy started off with $150. I forgot to tell you that. This guy right here started off with $153. Now his account is over $2K. His account is over $2,000 since using the gold bot, and he only started with $153. That's insane. That's insane. So, and the reason why I'm showing you is because I want to show you guys that it's not just me that's having results, but there's a lot of clients that got this gold bot from me that are getting some amazing results. Okay, it's very, very accurate. As you can see, I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. But guys, it's like everybody's loving this gold bot. Everybody's loving this gold bot. Another person, I asked him how much you made today. As you can see right here, I asked him how much you made today from the gold bot. I have made $108, and he only started off with $500, and he's making like $100 plus every single day. And yeah, it's just a lot of people that are like, look at this. A lot of people passing their prop firm challenges. Like, it's insane. So if you guys wanted proof, there you go. There's proof that this gold bot is performing in a way that is just mind-blowing. Okay, as you can see, for the whole month of October last month, we made over 46%. All right, and then this month so far, guys, we're up 68%. I'm up 68% from this gold bot. Insane. So it's like, it's crazy. So basically, all you would need is a VPS. That's what I recommend. You don't need a VPS, but I recommend a VPS. That way, the bot can run on your run on 24/7 with no delays. Because if you don't use a VPS, then you're gonna need to keep your computer open to run this bot. But I recommend just getting a VPS and install. And what I'll do is I'll install the bot on your VPS, and then all you got to do is just link your account to the bot, and then you'll start receiving trades. Every time the bot takes a trade, you'll receive a trade on your account. Now, you can use any broker, but I recommend using the same broker that I'm currently using and that my clients are using, because if you want to see the same results, you might as well just use the same broker that me and my clients are using. Okay. What else? Yeah, I mean, it's like I said, it's a one-time fee of $500. You get access to this same bot that is producing these type of results on a daily basis and on a weekly basis. And you have lifetime access to it. You'll be able to use it however you want to use it. You'll also receive the presets to it as well. But yeah, it's crazy. You can use it on a live account. You can use it on a demo account. You can use it on a challenge account. You can use it on a funding account. So you can use it however you want to use it. But I'm telling you right now, you're going to get great results. And it's only a one-time fee of $500 if you guys want access to it. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below where you can message me on Telegram, or you can shoot me a DM on Instagram. Okay? But enough of that. Let's get into it. Let's get into the perfect trade checklist. Okay? So basically, if you don't know, let me take a sip of coffee real quick. If you don't know FX Alex G trading strategy, don't worry, because what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using the perfect trade checklist platform to document my trades, and I'm going to actually break down those trades with you guys. Right now, there's no trades right now because yesterday, the whole day of yesterday, this site was down. I don't know the reason why. I mean, it's probably a lot of people trying to access this back office, but what I'm going to do is, like, from now on in future videos, I'm going to show you guys exactly how I trade, and how basically FX Alex G trades. I'm basically gonna go over his trading strategy with you guys, and using the perfect trade checklist with it. Okay. Now he also have a 7-day reset training that he's gonna be doing next week. That's gonna cost you guys about $500. But if you guys want to save some money, and you want to get the gold bot instead of spending $500 to access FX Alex G reset training course, then you can just use that $500 to get the gold bot, right, which is performing these type of results right here. And then what I can do is what I'll do is here on YouTube, I'll show you guys, teach you guys a strategy, okay? Because the whole reason why he got that going on is because he want to show you guys exactly how to use the perfect trade checklist. He wants to teach you how to use this. But like I said, I'm going to be doing some videos on this perfect trade checklist and show you guys the strategy and show you guys how to use it. So yeah, if you want to save some money and learn it for free, then just make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then that way you'll never miss a video that I upload on here, and you'll never miss the training that I will be providing to you guys based on FX Alex G strategy. Okay, and then also I'm going to actually go in and show you guys exactly how to use this checklist. Okay, so as you can see right here on the checklist part, you have the weekly, the daily, and the 4 hour. So basically, FX Alex G likes to look at the weekly and the daily and the 4 hour to determine the trend, the overall trend. All right, so as you can see, the trend. So if I click this, right, it's going to ask me, are we creating higher highs or higher lower lows, or lower lows or lower low? Getting tongue twisted. It's going to ask you basically, are you creating an uptrend or a downtrend? Uptrend is just basically higher highs and higher lows, and a downtrend is just basically lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so let's just say that the weekly is creating higher highs and higher lows. So all you're gonna do is just gonna click on yes. All right, and then let's go down to the daily. Now the daily, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna check this button right here. Are we creating higher highs and higher lows? All you gotta do is if it's creating higher highs on the daily, then you just click yes. Okay, now let's go to the 4 hour, the trend. Right now I'm talking about the trend right now. So the trend on the 4 hour, let's click on this. Let's say that the 4 hour is creating lower highs and lower lows. So I'm going to click on no. Okay. So when you click on no, then this is not going to be, it's not going to be checked. Okay. So now let's go back up to the weekly, and then if you guys know about, and another thing too, like if you guys want to learn FX Alex G strategy, just go on his YouTube channel and just like look for this stuff. All you got to do is just type in FX Alex G strategy area of interest, or AOI, and then you'll figure out exactly how he mark up his area of interest. Okay, it's very simple. You know what I'm saying? He makes a lot of videos on his strategy, so you can literally go to his YouTube channel and literally learn how to learn his strategy, and then you'll kind of get an idea on how to use the perfect trade checklist. But let's say that price is at our area of interest. We'll just say yes. Okay. We'll say let's say on the daily, let's say we do the same thing. Yes. Let's say that it'll say yes here. Let's do this. Yeah, yes here. Okay. And then let's go back up to the weekly. Is the weekly price touching the EMA? Let's just say yes. Okay. Is the daily, like you go to the daily chart, is the daily price touching the EMA? Yes. Okay. And then the round psychological level is just basically a whole number. Let's just say that the weekly is not touching a psychological level. Let's say that the weekly is rejecting from the previous structure. And don't worry, guys. Like I said, when I start trading, I'm gonna show you guys the strategy. Right now, I'm just trying to just give you a little overview on how this works. Okay. So we'll click yes. Okay, we'll check that off. The daily, is it rejecting the previous structure point? We'll just say yes. Okay. Is the 4 hour let's say that the 4 hour is the 4 hour rejecting from the previous structure? No. We'll just say no. Okay. Now let's go back to the weekly. Is the weekly is there a candlestick rejection from the area of interest? No. Okay, let's just keep that no. And then let's keep that no. Let's keep that no. Okay. Now I'm just randomly doing this because everything is not going to be perfect, guys. Like when you check these things, you're not going to be able to check all of these, 100%. Now you can't do that now. Let's say that there's a head and shoulder pattern on the weekly. Yes, a break and retest or a head and shoulder pattern, because FX Alex G, he likes the head and shoulders pattern. Okay, let's just say yes, and then let's just say no, and then no on there. And now he has also a section right here based on the 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute. Let's say that the trend on the 1 hour, the 2 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minute are all bullish, and then let's say that where we at? Let's say that it's not touching the EMA. Well, we could say touching EMA, right? And then let's say that we don't see a head and shoulder pattern or a break and retest on the 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes section here. And then this is where we had another section called the entry signal. Okay. Now SOS stands for shift of structure. All right, shift of structure. So let's just say that there is a shift of structure, either on the 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. You want to see a shift of structure. I think he likes the 30-minute. He likes to see a 30-minute shift of structure mostly. But if there's a shift of structure on the 30-minute or the 1 hour, the 2 hour, 4 hour, then that's fine as well. So let's say that we see a shift of structure. He doesn't have a picture on that yet, but I'm sure they're gonna add that. And then let's say that we see an engulfing candle on the 1 hour. Okay, very, very important. If you see an engulfing candle on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, then you'll check this. He doesn't have a picture on there as well. I think they'll update that. And then stop loss and take profit. Okay, so do right here where it's for stop loss. Does your stop loss look like this? He doesn't have a picture in there, but don't worry, I'll show you guys what that looked like in future videos. But basically, he wants to put your stop loss in a place where if price hit your stop loss, you're wrong. So let's say that we're creating higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. You want to put your stop loss below the previous 30-minute, 1 hour higher low. Okay, and if price comes down and touch that stop loss, then you're wrong. Okay, so let's just say that we'll do that, and then take profit. You want to take profit. You want to have it at the previous structure point. Okay, so if we're creating higher highs and higher lows, you want to get in at the higher low, but you want to get in at the previous higher high. Okay, and then that's it. Once you do all that, then you'll get a percentage right here. If you scroll all the way down here to the bottom, you'll see that the weekly is 45%, the daily is 45%, 4 hours 5%. And then you'll get an overall score. So this will give you a score. So right now, based on what we selected, we have a very, very strong score. All right, to take that trade. And all I got to do is just save that trade. And this is where you choose the currency pair that you're looking at. Let's see what all they got. They got crypto in here. They got exotic pairs in here. They have regular currency pairs here. So they don't have the indices in there just yet, but I'm sure they'll do that. But let's just say that we're trading Euro USD, and all you got to do is just type in the amount of money that's in your trading account. Let's say that we have $1,000 in our trading account, and then on the chart you'll just put in your stop loss price and your take profit price, and then you'll put in the price that you entered, and then right here you can type in 1%, 2%, 3%, and then if you do once you type in the risk percentage, this tool will literally give you the lot size that you need to get in with. Okay, so this is a very, very cool tool for beginners and stuff like that. And if you guys, I think this is good for beginners and advanced traders, because this can also keep track of your trades. And a lot of people don't journal their trades, and you can also make notes about that trade as well. And then all you gotta do is just take a picture of the trade setup, and right there, and then you save that trade. And once you save that trade, then you can come up here in the history part, and you'll see your your trades before. You'll see all of your wins. You'll see all of your losses and your break-even trades, and also you'll even see the dashboard view of your trades, and how much you're winning, how much you're making on a weekly basis, and then also how much you're making on a daily basis, and then also your performance breakdown, your overall performance breakdown, your recent trades. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool tool. This tool just reminds me a little bit of TradeZella. This is the TradeZella. This is what I use to track my trades and my playbooks. So I even have, if I go to the playbooks here, all right, I even have the perfect trade checklist rules here as well. As you can see, I have the area of interest. As you can see, let me scroll down here. See, as you can see, I have the weekly confluence, the daily confluence. Just like if you were to go to the checklist, you see I have the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 2 hour, the entry signal. I have all of that here. Okay, I have all of that here in TradeZella. Okay, but yeah, I mean, this is a pretty cool tool especially for beginners and people that want to track your trades. You'll see all your P&L here, your total profit, total loss, largest win, largest loss. So this is a great tool. And if you guys want to get access to this tool, I think you just have to go to the Perfect Trade, the Perfect Trade .net, and then you'll be able to go ahead and register, and that way you can be able to use this tool. Okay, but yeah, that's about it, guys. Like I said, I'm going to be making more videos about this, but I just wanted to give you an overview and a review on the perfect trade checklist. And this is a pretty cool tool. I like it. I'm definitely gonna be using this to document my trade, and then also using this tool to actually teach you guys FXAlexG strategy. Okay, so before I end this video, if you guys want to get access to this GoldBot that's performing very, very well for me and my clients, like I said, it's only a one-time fee of $500, and you'll be able to get access to this GoldBot. I showed you guys results. I showed you guys proof. As you can see, like I said, this GoldBot passed this guy's 100K FTMO challenge. So yes, you can use this on prop firm challenges. This GoldBot is, got this guy's account up $1,400. This guy's giving me a testimony. He's just basically, he didn't know I was recording this call, but I recorded his call, but just to show you guys how people are really enjoying the profits that they're getting from the GoldBot. And I'm just showing you guys proof, because I don't like to show just my proof. I just want to show you guys my clients' proof as well. That way you guys can get an idea if it's gonna work for you. Yes, it's gonna definitely work for you. And like I said, it's only a one-time fee of $500. Can't beat it. You have full-time access to it, lifetime access to it, and you can be getting some amazing results like my clients. So with that being said, I'm Andre Ketna here from West Palm Beach, Florida. This is just a review of the Perfect Trade Checklist. I will be making more videos about this Perfect Trade Checklist in the future.